Good morning, everyone. Today is the first day of our new month, and our new month is April. Give me a quiet thumbs up if you guessed that the month that comes after March is April, which I knew most of you would know because you guys are pretty smart cookies. Let's head right into our announcements. So if you're seated, you may stand up so you're ready for the pledge. Let's get the announcements pulled up.
Good morning, Bridgewater Elementary. This is Mrs. Antwine. Today is Wednesday, April the 1st. Yes, it's April Fool's Day, but it doesn't feel much like a fooling around business. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and the singing of the Raider Fight Song. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Yo prometo lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América y a la república que representa una nación bajo Dios, indivisible, con libertad y justicia para todos.
Northfield High School, hats off to thee, to our colors, we shall ever be firm and strong, united are we. Rah, 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 for Northfield High, rah, 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 for Northfield High. Northfield High School, hats off to thee, to our colors, we shall ever be firm and strong, united are we. Rah, rah, for Northfield High, rah, 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 for Northfield High.
You may be seated. I hope you had a chance to connect with your teachers yesterday. I know they were all excited about seeing you. We do miss you very, very much. And it's so sad not to see your smiling faces every day and hear your little feet running around the building. So the building's a little quiet right now. And the playground's quiet as well. But you got to be careful on playgrounds these days because you don't want to pick up anyone else's germs. So hopefully you'll get to connect with your teachers and see them over Zoom or Seesaw or something like that. The forecast for today is 51 degrees with a chance of rain. We're supposed to get rain for about 3 days straight here, so we'll be inside for a bit. Today's birthdays are Christopher Hall, kindergarten Mrs. Danielson's class, Clara Hall, kindergarten Mrs. Allison's class. Happy birthday, twins! The character trait for this month is trustworthiness. Trustworthiness is being responsible when you're out in public, making good choices, and always using kind words. Have a great day, and don't forget to work hard and play safe. Bye-bye. Good.
All right, let's get right into our calendar. All right, so I want you guys to remember our 4 rules. I want you to be respectful, be responsible, be safe, and do your best, which I know you guys have been doing your best because I've seen everything that you've been putting up on Seesaw, from pictures of your family, videos saying hi, in all of your work, from writing, from media, from music, and it's been super great seeing all the hard work you guys are putting in while you're at home. So, like Miss Antwine said, it is a birthday today. It is Clara's birthday. So I want you guys to take a few seconds to think and send some happy thoughts Clara's way since she's not with us. She's at home celebrating her birthday with her family. And send some happy thoughts her way. So yesterday was Tuesday, so we're going to move our date tracker over. If yesterday was Tuesday, what day of the week is it today? You're right, it's Wednesday. Now, a special thing since it is our new month, inside your folders, you guys should all have a calendar that looks like this. You want to make sure you have April, capital A for April. And we are going to be making our own pattern on your own calendar. So our pattern this month is an AABC pattern, and we're going to be drawing some raindrops and clouds and sunshine. So if you have your crayons handy, I want you to draw our first symbol, our A, our raindrop, right there on the first, right over Clara's birthday. And I already did that for you. And we're going to keep track of it also together on this calendar. So I'm going to put some rain on top of the birthday cake. And it seems fitting because it's supposed to rain today. All right. So since our month is new, I started it over. I took March down, and we're going to have to put up our new month. But we already said that yesterday was Tuesday, so today is going to be Wednesday. Now I need to find our new month. So I need to sound it out because I'm not quite sure which one it is. So we know it's April, A. So I know it starts with an A, but there's 2 months on here. What other sounds do we hear in April? You're right, I hear the P and the L. I know that this one's April. And since it's the first day, we're going to bring our one on over. And we're going to say our date together. Repeat after me. Today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. So our very first day of April. All right, we need to update. Today is another day in school, so we're going to drag down another block. We don't have another 100 yet, so we're going to leave that one alone. We don't have a new 10 quite yet, but we did add 1 to our 1. So I'm going to sneak in there, put 1 more in. So how many days have we been in school so far? You're right, 124 days. That's a lot of time. You guys have been doing a great job. We're going to add another tally mark right on in here. Let's get that out of the way. We're going to reach up, drag our tally mark all the way down. Now, we don't quite have enough for a seatbelt yet, but I think one's coming tomorrow. So I want you guys to practice counting by 5s because we're going to count together tomorrow to make sure that we have enough tally marks for our days in school. All right, we need to add another coin up top, and I want you guys to take a look. Do we have enough to make any exchanges yet? Is there anything that we can change out quite yet? Not quite yet. We only have 4 pennies, and we need how many to change it for a nickel? You're right. We need 5 pennies to switch up. So we should be able to do it soon, but let's update this, change our money. So how much money do we have here now? You're right. You might say it's $1.24, or some of you might say it's 124 cents. So that's quite a bit of money. All right, let's practice our clock. I'm going to hit the button for us, and let's see. Our time is 12:15. Last month, we only practiced it when the time was a solid number. So we know it's 12. So we know that the small hand is going to be pointing at the 12 because that's going to tell us the hour. We need the big hand is going to be pointing to what? Which number do you think? If it's 12:15 and I'm already pointing to the 12, where should my other arrow be pointing? You're right. I want to look for the 15. Now the 15 is not going to be on the clock. You're only going to see a 5. But the numbers go up by 5 minutes. So if the 15 wasn't there, I could count 5, 10, 15 to get all the way over there. All right. Oops. Let's see if I can get my arrow back. Let's fix our numbers. Let's see what our numbers are today. You're right, we have 65 and 22. So if I wanted to know which one was bigger, which one the alligator would eat, would he be eating the 22 or would he be eating the 65? You're right, he would be eating the 65. So let's read it together. We have 65 is greater than 22. Let's do one more. All right, which one of these numbers is bigger? We have 36 and 52. Is our alligator going to eat 36 or is it going to eat 52? You're right, 52. I would rather eat 52 cookies than 36. So let's read it together. We have 36 is less than 52. All right, we have a new one for this month. We have a bunch of different words on our dice. We're going to sound them out. Let's shake them up. All right, we have one sight word on there that I can see, but let's sound out the rest. Let's see what we have. S, does. You guys are right. Let's try another one. These ones are tricky. The ULD kind of makes a ud sound. So ud. Could. Like you guys could go to school on your computer. All right. What's this one? This one's tricky. We've seen it in some of our books recently. So remember, the TH says what? You're right. It makes a th sound. So there. Like their dog. And our last one is one of our sight words. I want you guys to take a look at it. I'm not even going to sound it out with you. I bet you guys can do it. You're right. It's the word of. We're going to do another new one today. It's called roll and add. So we're going to roll some of our dice. We're going to try to add our numbers. I'm going to grab a pen. So what numbers do we have? Let's count them out. 1, 2, 3. So our first dice is 3. I'm looking at our other one. How many do we have? Great, that one's 2. But now it's the tricky part. We need to add up our numbers. So we have 3 plus 2 gives us how many in total? So how many do we have? You're right, it's the number 5. So let's write in the number 5 right there. We're going to skip ahead because we have to add one of our friends lost a tooth while we were on spring break. So oops, I don't want that pen anymore. There we go. Can I do that? There we go. Oops, that's in April. Charlotte lost a tooth over spring break and she was kind enough to let us know. So there's a tooth for Charlotte. And last but not least, oops, there we go. There's Renly's birthday from back in March. And we have a new birthday. That is today. So everyone wish Clara a happy birthday. Let's flip that cake over for her. All right, friends, that is the end of our calendar today. As always, if you guys have any questions or need any help, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be here all day to help you guys get through your second day of distance learning. I've been enjoying all the videos you guys have been sending over. I've seen your families. You guys have been sending me messages and notes and pictures, and I've loved seeing all of them. So keep sending them over. I'll be sure to comment on them as they come through. And parents, as always, if you guys need any help, you guys can always send me an email. I'd be happy to meet up and talk with any of you, help you guys get through this first week. So I have a great book picked out for you guys today. You guys are going to play around with Seesaw, send me a video response today so you guys get used to using that video tool. So you guys have a great day, enjoy your book, and I will see you again later. Bye.